attention. Don't you want to open your gift?
Want to open your present, Mom?
Open it.
There's a present in here for you. See? Do you want to open that?
I think you should.
Do you want to open this? Do you want to open that? Okay, open it. I'll hold this for you, okay? No, open it.
Sissy
It's
being
yours.
the perfect daughter. Oh no,
Mom,
open it, Mom.
open the
Here, I'll
present.
hold on to the bag for you. You open the gift.
Open the present.
Let's see what it is.
What's in there?
It's not breakable. You want me to help you open
Want me to
that?
help you? Here. Just rip it. Rip it open.
Oh, nice.
It's a t-shirt, Mom. A long sleeve t-shirt
Oh,
to keep you
good.
warm.
Look at that. The Ville.
Mom, do you like it? It's an extra large. Do you think that's big enough? Or too big?
That'll be good because
Will
it'll
that be
shrink
good
when I
for you,
wash
Mom?
it.
All right.
Do you have cards?
It's for you.
Oh.